Bring our man go sleeping at the people. What kind of nastiness them here? You cannot have your platform and you're looking after kids or an elderly person, and you come and alive and you sit down there and alive 1 hour. Cause let me tell you something, an accident can happen in 3 seconds. 1 hour, 2, 3, 4 hour of the day. Now you get that. First of all, that's dishonest because you're getting your hourly pay. Your life what you do, you're not supposed to cause up no bad word and not disturb the patient. We have to be careful what we do. You cannot be at your workplace and you're in a social media bangarang. Work your moment, that's your bread, that's your butter. You don't have, me understand the social media pay you. Me understand the social media pay you, but you have to balance it. Balance it mean that you cannot have a patient looking after when you look upon a life. You're the 2, 3, 4 hour, then what time? And you not get up to go find out if the patient want look water. You not get up to go find out if the patient that's what you're supposed to do, pay attention to your patient. It's not a 30 minutes live you do. It's not a 30 minutes live you're doing. 2 hours sitting down with the patient there. And if the patient asleep, you still go check on the patient. You go check if the patient wet. You go check if the patient really asleep. Because when you know them in an age of ailment, you go check. But you can't sit down on life so much up chat pay for it. 3 hours out of the people them time. 3 hours. Now, let me tell you something. Sometimes we people put yourself in a situation. You hear me tell you? Sometimes we people put yourself in a situation because the job never did have. You could have keep your job out of it. There is life done where the whole heap of bad word in front of the patient. You're there to do a job to get your pay. Do your job at the best of your ability. Take care of your job. God bless you with that. And this is the thing, these are the same person that will come and say, oh, work hard to get her, oh, America hard. You see, God bless you with something. I hear that actually I saw with my eye. The patient name is on social media. The patient name is right up on YouTube. That's what I see. I know she was cussing, I know she was cussing, but there's something, but there and then again. I see her when she come in the evening, and when she come the evening and she say to the man, she only asks the man if the man want coffee, and straight to the kitchen she go and so. And you know that even how you pass, boy, I don't know, I just don't know, I don't know. Can't cost so much bad word. Can't depend life in a living job and you take 3 or 4 hours out of it and do life. 3 or 4 hours out of it for the life, and the 3 and the 4 hour the patient don't get a visit, the patient don't get like water. The 4 hour the patient pampers don't look nothing. 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour the patient now get no attention because they say somebody sit down and I collect money and I make money at the same time. Because if you never give people things to talk, nobody couldn't have nothing for talk. You could have dead and do your living work and nobody don't know. You could have dead and do your live and nobody. First thing, your camera shouldn't in the people them out because it's not your house. You do your life in the dark. When you no petty so and them something they reach, you know. I'm not rejoice, cause me not rejoicing, but is the truth. You make the situation where it is. Your job is to take care of the patient. But as far as I see, you take care of social media more than you take care of the patient. Social media is a distraction of a 3 or 4 hour. This whole heap of bad word cussing at the people them house. People of social media for know how in the people them house stay. So the poor man no see because me get to understand say me don't know if it's true. I don't know if it's true. Me hear say all the address the past social media. So the poor man no safe in the house. Cause we can't tell you the man name the past social media because I saw it last night. The man name is on social media. The poor old man go that don't even know if he use a phone, but his name reach past social media. All because of him carer. All because of him carer. Maybe God have more in store for you. And him give you that. Value it now. Do your work to your best of your ability. Me understand say yes you want the Facebook check too and the money, but as you said once you don't work the money, but you only bad word in the people them house. This and that and you definitely say 2 hours and the man no get look of water. 2 hours and the man no get look of water. 3 hours you come miss that with my eye. You come in and when you come, you only ask the man if the man want a little coffee. You never stop and ask the man how in days how making now you go straight to the kitchen go full your gut. Some big dirty bad word one Sunday morning in front of the poor man. I was like then how the man go repeat the bad word them. This is what me see with my eye and me I say no. This lady don't care. You're live in at the people them house. It's not your house. Everybody want to be celebrity. Everything you know want to put on live. You know, nobody no see you get up and right there. It's worse when time I chant, you chant the clock them. Worse when you dey chant. You no remember, you no see. You no see if the man want turn. You no see if the man a try to get up and want go. You no see if the man a chant, you dey chant. Then you go call people wicked and you make people wicked again. So you could have dead and do that living work and nobody don't know. 6 long hours that you rob the man and sometimes you all do 3 live. So where the attention where the people them appear for the poor old man get there. Suppose when you're dead the man catch a stroke. Suppose you sit down for life, God me now wish it happen. Just imagine you sit down for life and went to you sit down for life 4 hours. When you go in there, you see the man not giving out when you're done. What you gonna tell the people them say? Remember say that woman they lie, you know, remember one time that woman they dep on her life and never forget a cuss one blogger. And when the woman a cussy blogger, you know. The woman, another man where she have one, another man should have that she live in the house where they fling him out. And the man asked her, say if I cuss, she a cuss. She said no. I she shall sell. So remember said that woman they lie. I lie you a tell. Susan come out from my phone here, man. Bring our man go sleep in the people. What kind of nastiness them here? Yeah, but somebody just tell me say if it's a private case because the agency Gracie, so if somebody say if it's a private case, should have to clock in and clock out. I don't understand this. So the man then have no family or no carer or nothing. Because you can't take up people go sleep because suppose Suppose, let me tell you something, suppose the man see somebody where they can, especially them people there, them frightened, them not used to change, not even, hey, not even my picnic them, let me tell you something. Not even my kids them me bring round people so because they say picnic, especially my last son. My last son, well, my boy in here, him not really worry, but my last son and my daughter, them not go, them not drawing to people, so you have to take time. Nobody can just come, so you just right away you see them changes. Suppose the old man see the man in the now and frightened or anything. Mighty God. And what kind of outer order is that? How can you, and if I true the man is very low, how can you go do that? You're supposed to respect your job. How can you go carry man if I choke? Me not believe the part there. How can you carry man pan the patient? How you can go carrying man stranger? What kind of nastiness is that? You cannot do that. The man shouldn't even have the people them address, much less to go there. Down to the cock crow upon this here one here to backside. What is that the lady there's something to her mentally? Mentally, because let me tell her something. That one here, because let me tell her something. If I chew una attack, so fair this is a laughing matter now. If I chew una attack, if I chew your attack, so who's it? Something to that lady them mentally. A workless man. How you can dare your people, your work and carry man go upon the patient? No, something do her. Definitely something do her. No, the cock crow upon that one ya. The cock crow upon that one ya. Me never see this yet. Because people, you get one job. You know, say, I mean, they have to tear down nobody because they say people, when you attack, you have to talk. Uno know uno self. Uno know uno self. I want promotion. That's why I want uno to follow. Me I beg uno, please go and follow. Saint Danique Healthcare Boutique. I want promotion and help me could have pay for me tent. Because my boy graduation and same thing and my daughter buy grocery in here. Me not afraid to tell you no, me I tell you no like how it go. I am telling you no, because me not come out here come push you great because God not see me, that's why it hurt me. When some of them serpent here come out come call me liar. Me no come from me not tear down nobody, but me I go talk the truth. Cause when you have to pay your rent because me no own no property in a Curacao. Me no own no property, yes, so me decide say me got to be a tenant, I cannot be a termite. And if you know how it hard to get, how place you know how it go, you see the situation and you in the situation and you know how it go. And God bless you with all of how you stay. God bless you, because I remember when me hear all saying the same thing there, I remember you come out and come cuss me and galang. All because I tell you, God bless you with a job. And you do enough already by putting in but the man age and this and that, and comfort, and then they chant clot in front of the man like clot to come out of style. And when you're done, Panther Pike, you see how much hours leave the man, neglect the man. And when you're done, you carry in your man in the man house. You carry in your man in the man house, cause sleep, and the people them. I don't believe that. Me not believe that about her. Me not believe that. Me not believe the woman carry no man in the people them house. I don't believe that. I'm not going to believe that, because all my head start tingling here. Me not believe that. I don't believe that, because I said nobody could have never. Because I said if even that, if even that, if you me notice that the man that have the privacy like the man birthday, me realize that the man that have the privacy, the man that have nothing. But if even that, and if she even tell the man to come, the man should have known say him not supposed to do that. What are something? They make me ask you something now. When that the man they go sleep, the man shouldn't even have the man address, because she drives, so he not have to come pick her up. Boy, me no know, me not believe you no. Me not believe you no. I not going to believe you no. Cause all my head start hurt me. No, but all the man, the boy, me not everything, the man part worse. The man part worse. You meet to a man, you don't even, you self don't even want the man. But if she did the part time, she must share the job with somebody else. You self don't even know the man. Cause that's somebody where you beat, you don't know the man. And you take up the man and suppose the old man have any little thing in there. Then Panther Pike, the disrespect for you, not even my picnic then can't nobody compare me. Not even my picnic them. What a outer hardness. Then let me ask you something now. Suppose the man did take sick and forgot. Boy, I don't know. That's why I'm telling you. The man them here wonder if him have kids. This is what I tell you. You see the disadvantage. Of course, the man workers are nasty. And if really she do that, she outer order, she nasty and outer order and low. And let me tell you something, say, me now put my mouth a gun and talk. Me no want nobody lose them bread. The only somebody me have a problem with them bread that thinking Tina, cause me no want Tina pay no sell no cake and pay no money for send contact my life. But if she do that, who's to ever report her for go the all the way, don't stop and get her fire out of hardness that. Me now put my mouth a gun and talk. You no own house, you no rent house, you out of order. Wait till you get your free day or ask for free time and go pay hotel or guy your man yard. You can't make the man a come in at the man house, come and grind on the people them house, and not even your husband. Out of hardness that. That are the worst disrespect. People time so serious now. You carry the man there. What about when you know that the man know the address, the man no gone broke in upon the old man and the patient and upon the care? You are not even somebody where she meet because this woman look like she just meet a man, see a man, you don't know him background. All ex-con because one of the man them was some ex-con. All ex-con in a it no people. No. That one you me not tell a lie, that one you shock me. If a true una talk to the woman carry man in the pan the poor old man. So the man that have no kids because what they make she say party it for keep for the man. The man that have no kids. You have to send it come give me because I say the man that have no kids, the man that have nobody will care him also. There must be somebody because if it's a private case, there must be somebody because somebody must pay them also. There must be somebody if it's a private case. Mighty God, what a something. The man in the man house. Yeah, but when it's a private case, there have to be somebody. If it's an agent, I will understand. But this case is a private case, so there must be somebody there that do the payments. That there must be somebody there. If it's a private case, it couldn't be an agency. And it couldn't be a robot. Come now, no take me feed that. I don't like when you take me feed that pie. It's a private, the work is a private case, she said, and the work pay good. So there must be somebody that pay her. If it's even the person there that you work in, there must be somebody above her. Take it on your own and look at it, Miss Dawkins. If it was an agent, you could understand, but it's a private case. So there must be somebody, a superior above her. Whether it's the lady where there, somebody have to be. You not take me feel that. If it's the agency, let me not worry because I would have the agency in charge. But if it's a private case, there got to be somebody, whether the person where she work with, whether the man niece, whether the man long time friend, whether the man long time woman, whether the man did marry to a woman or did there with a woman. There must be somebody. There's that a robot there. There must be somebody. See, then now the man have son and grandchildren. The man have son and grandchildren. Them don't know that there must be somebody. My piece of job come first. No more time when time me dey pa here, me a call and sit down son and call me about couple months ago, one Monday. He waited did a come there. And they left the check. The lady carry the check go left because she think me did go come in at the afternoon. And when time me hear, you know, so me make sure tell you, no, say me gone and me run go and come back. And me one time me ever tell them, say me I go beg them one time. When Grace did say me and I say Lorena friend. That me couldn't did all. My piece of job come first. When me get break time, if me feel like but my pizza job, not even at my house with my picnic them because say me personally who don't want that. I'm the family them well strict and me two picnic them no want the panel life. Me do the live in the dark because well him not there now in there Alan. Me 8 year old have to pass. One thing in the midnight but he very busy body. Sometimes when you see me lose concentration like me attack, him me I watch him walk up and down the whole day. Very him always in and out. When you hear the tent door open, him the pan the move. Him always in and out. Me understand, but when me say so, I mean nothing for harm you. But me like tell us me no fool there. You hear now the man have son and picnic. I know there could be a robot. Me know there could be a robot, Miss Dawkins. There must be somebody in charge and they need to know because if God give this man 5 more years within this, the man will live 2. Within this, the man will only live 2. The man will not live long. Because they say the man not getting no attention. All the attention is on social media. Somebody for rub him ear, talk with him and laugh with him. Talk with him and laugh with him. Make him tell if him didn't have the army, listen to him story. You tell him like a culture about yourself. You tell him like a culture about yourself. I want to laugh, I want to talk. Sit down and eat with him, have breakfast. And so me say, so me know say, me see Diane do it for your patient. Give them attention at that it appear for. Me I go over Dime's yard, go ask her, you know, because I say I hope me say she turn around in why me I tell you, you know. Me not tell her like me get jealous, you know, because me say she hold on and bring, she better make sure say a Chris she hold on and nobody make go there bring you know. Me not like when tell no woman go near bring you know. Your communication and laugh and talk. But when you spend 7 hours out of the time, you get up in the morning, you do 2 hours, one other part of the midday, you do 1 hour, then in the evening, you depend it 4 hours. That what time the man get? You have to respect your job, man. You have to respect your place. The man address all the poor old man, name the part social media. When the man could have don't even know if he answer our phone. And you there with your scheming ways, every address, every letter will come there. She take them, pull them and dash them away. So you insist to do that because you know that you when the letter them come there, why you don't make a change? Me not sharing, me not in a no sharing. Why you don't make a change? Why you not say alright, make a change? You don't want to make no change, but you have to live there because it says there you have to live, is there you have to eat. And no active you not eat there, you know man. Mighty God. But say the event, I see the woman with the melon that a 3 some of the portion and me I tell her say eat and him I go eat pizza. No, I mean I wonder if the old man I get nothing to eat because to say no ask if him not eat them because I tell her say oh me see moms I eat them man, moms I eat no act if mom not live life and the poor man will forget the care now get it. The poor man I feel it. Nobody that you want it, you know what? Oh, hey, I mean, blah, blah. You want coffee? The man said, no, you don't even hear. Why? But you always drink coffee. What happened to you today? Where you spend your day? Straight to the kitchen. Tina right about this morning, but bigger things are going over Tina yard. But me don't talk about the elderly abuse first. Bigger things are going over Tina yard. And not this a Tina head. And not this a Tina head. After yesterday, but I say her son, me never have no time phone yesterday. And not this a Tina head, a bigger things a Tina head. Bangaranga go on over Tina yard. Bangaranga so. Me say me never go tell on you know. Cause the elderly abuse case here come out serious. But me go tell you the truth. Me no support wrong part social media. Me nah give nobody no right and no wrong. Me only chat about it. Me say if I fi save the old man life, if I fi save the old man life, I make the old man live little longer. People got to do what them got to do. Me no figure out the box bread out of nobody mouth. Car Black working 2 jobs really hard. When me tell you say Car Black working 2 jobs, but still follow her page and so because she soon come. And my thump in your eye, stop mix up with you. Stop mix up with you, so no one can mix up people. You two mix up. I hope you sell the bag and the eyeglass them. I hope you sell the bag and the eyeglass them and the picnic clothes them for the go down on the award. You're too enough. Stop call up a man name about Bujo. No, but seriously, me I go tell you this, but me I go say this before me wrap up that topic there with the elderly abuse. Can we call it elderly abuse? Me no support wrong. Certain things me say not for reach past social media. But like what me say, me cannot support wrong because I said I have my daddy down in Jamaica there. Me tell you something say. When it time at all, me can't me look I feel me like a daddy that I don't want nothing do daddy. So therefore me can't go love one like me love for me daddy and I protect and sitting and me no want me daddy, but never want for me daddy have no woman because me no want no woman and no man pick me. Me no want to where I go and no me never want no me don't want me daddy, me just want me daddy turn right where me daddy there. And me no want, me go tell you the truth. And me go say this. Me can't go come out and go say 1 minute. Yes, people. And me can't go say, me not go stand up and go say yes, a box bread or what have you not. Because at the end of the day, when it touch elderly and kids, certain things definitely me have to be very careful how I talk about it. I cannot support certain things because I say it is wrong. It is wrong to take up a stranger, carry. It is wrong for take up a stranger carrying upon an elderly person. That's invasion of privacy. The man address the man age, everything upon social media for the man. It is so wrong. So if people have to put them bread and butter, you put your bread and butter, anything we have to nobody pass social media and them chase and them can't see because you could not do the work and nobody don't know. Everything you want to be, everybody wants to be Kim Kardashian and Amari. Everybody wants to be celebrity. Cause everything you have to put past social media. Before social media, one need to put it on. Anyway, people, before me wrap up this, I tell you now. That